Hello, welcome to the channel. If you're meeting me for the first time, my name is Uchenna. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove background music from a video clip using CapCut. So without wasting much time, let's get to that. To do this, you need to first head over to CapCut. So now that your CapCut is open, click on the new projects, then bring in the clip. Alright, so now that you have the clip on the timeline, click on the clip, then scroll down to find extract audio. Click on it. Okay, as you can see, the audio has been extracted. So all you have to do is to duplicate it. So tap on the audio and scroll down to find duplicates. Then click on duplicate. Alright, so now that you duplicated it, hold and drag the second one down to place it below the former ones. All you have to do now is to isolate the background music and the voice. So we tap on the first one and scroll to find isolate voice. This is actually a pro feature, so you need to be a pro user to be able to use it, but not to worry. By the end of the tutorial, I will show you how you can actually get your clip if you don't have the money to pay for the pro version. So the first one, we are going to keep the voice. So as you can see, the background music in the first one has been isolated. So you click on the good button. So we tap on the second one and go to isolate voice, then remove voice. Alright, so we click on the good. So right now the first track is the voice, while the second track is the background music. So you can either delete the background music or reduce it. You can also choose to delete the voice if that is what you want, but doing this actually gives you the flexibility to do whatever thing you want to do. So let's assume I don't want to keep the voice, I just want the background music. I can easily click on the voice and hit delete, and it goes. Now if I play it, you will hear only the background music. That's it, no voice. But if I choose to keep the voice and delete the background music, I will have to tap on the second track and delete. So if I play it right now, you will only hear the voice. So as you can see, that is basically how you can do it. So depending on what you want to do, once you're done, the next thing is to hit export if you are a pro user. But if you're not a pro user, you will need to find another way to get it. Alright, so if you're not a pro user, what you need to do to actually get your clip out of CapCut without paying for it, since you don't have the money, is to actually record your screen while you're doing the edit. So you can record your screen with your internal screen recorder, or you go to Play Store and download AC screen recorder. So once you have actually recorded and saved your clip to your gallery, all you have to do is to open CapCut again and bring it in. Just locate the recorded file and bring it in. Alright, so once you bring it in, tap on the clip and look for transform. Hit on transform, then click on resize. Then use your hand to resize it to get rid of all these other places that you don't want. Once you're done, click on this code. So next, you go back and look for aspect ratio. Then click on aspect ratio. Then from here now you can choose the exact size that you want for your video, be it YouTube, TikTok, or any other one. So if you want YouTube, all you have to do is simply click on it and you have it. Now that you have it, all you have to do is to click on the good and your clip is actually ready, though somehow the quality may drop depending on the quality of the initial clip, but it is still good since you were able to get your clip out. So all you have to do now is just to click on export and wait for your clip to be exported. So that's basically how you can remove background music from a clip using CapCut and also download it without having to pay for it. So if you found this video helpful, do well to like it, subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. It is actually a way of letting me know that the tutorials that I'm creating, that they are useful. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.